Welcome back, boys and girls, to another enchanting lesson of Saxon phonics. Welcome back, boys and girls. To start off today, we're going to do a little practice with our alphabet. So we need to take a look at our alphabet strips and let's say our alphabet together. Great job. Let's go ahead and let's continue with our warm-up. I'm going to say some words that end with the same sound. I want you to figure out what sound you hear at the end, the final sound of each of those words. Here we go. Fed, mud, mad. What sound do you hear at the end of each of those words? Fed, mud, mad. We hear a D sound at the end of each of those words. Let's try another one. High, cry, guy. What sound do we hear at the end of each of these words? High, cry, guy. We hear an I sound at the end of each of these words. Let's try another one. Wedge, badge, cage. Oh, poor me. What sound do we hear at the end of each of these words? Wedge, badge, cage. We hear a J sound at the end of each of these words. Let's try another one. Drop, clap, trip. What sound do we hear at the end of each of these words? Drop, clap, trip. We hear a P sound at the end of each of these words. Let's try another one. Fin, bone, grin. What sound do we hear at the end of each of these words? Fin, bone, grin. We hear a N sound at the end of each of these words. Great job for today, boys and girls. We practiced our alphabet and also practiced listening for the ending or final sounds and words. Don't forget to finish up your lessons and activities for today, and we'll see you later.